Yo, what's happening, guys? Today I'm just gonna do a little garage showing and telling you about my favorite car. I got my Entity here. Really like this car. It's really fast. Just disappointed that I can only have one color at a time. That kind of sucks. Then I got the Turismo. It's a really nice car, pretty fast. I like the colors on it, in my opinion. It's a good car. And I got the Bifta. I like to do that. It's actually pretty fast for a cheap car, for a free car. Then I got the Smart car. That's a nice car. I like how you can put like the sticker kind of things on them. It looks really nice. Then my off-roading Jeep, which I got from calling a few mercenaries in. Then my Dinka Double T, which is my motorbike, just to get around on. This is my classic car. I like it a lot. I like these two cars a lot. This one is loud. I mean, it roars. And I like this car too. And then to my favorite car is a Zentorno. I like this car a lot because any colors really go good with it. I mean, it's a really fast car. I like it. It's just got great speed. It's a nice car. Got great turning. Just got great everything. I mean, the acceleration is just amazing on it. And it's just a fast car. My favorite colors on this, of course, green. Always gotta have that. Favorite colors go on the favorite car, right? I mean, this car's just got great turning. It's got, I mean, it could use some better wheels, but I like these stock wheels that come with it. You got great design, like the outer color that they got on there for the secondary. It just looks really nice. I'm gonna go see what else we can do to this thing. Upgrade my brakes, of course. I like the secondary color for the chases. That looks really nice. I like that exhaust from, in my opinion. No explosives. I'm good on those. I'll get them brighter lights. I don't even see the plate on this thing. Where is it at? There isn't even a plate on this thing. Oh yeah, I love the colors already. I mean, it just looks great. Lime green with the bright green. I like those colors a lot. So, I mean, it's got my crew emblem on there. This car is just so fast. I mean, the acceleration is just unbelievable. It's crazy. Go check out some other cars that I got. I know I have the option of getting the stripe down the front of the car, but I don't really like that. I mean, I think it looks good with just like that hood right there with the secondary little things on there that it's got. This car I bought, well worth it. I like this car a lot. Like, a lot. I like my colors on most of these things. Let's go see what we can do to the Smart car. I haven't really done much to this thing. This thing's got some upgrades that I can need. Change the primary color, because when I bought this car, this was the only color that I really could afford. I really like when they updated and they added the heists because I mean it's an easy way to get money if you're playing with the right people. It's really fun and easy to get money out of them. Alright, let's see what this thing can do. Oh yeah, I like the stickers. Gotta have the stickers, right? And I haven't unlocked them yet. Whoa, those are sweet. Okay, those are pretty cool. No, I like the sticker. I think the black plate looks pretty good on that one. Let's check out the primary colors on here. Now let's go to metallic. See what we got in here for some cool colors. I don't know what it is, but everyone likes the pink that it comes in. I've seen a lot of people getting that color on this car. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It looks actually really nice. But I don't have it yet. Of course. Let's see what other colors we got and put on this thing. I like the dew yellow. That's pretty cool. Let's go change that secondary color now. Ooh, the lime green looks pretty slick with that. Might have to go with that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go with the lime green on that one. Got the roll cage already. What kind of roof? Ooh. Should I get the tailgate stickers? Nah, I don't like the tailgate stickers. Skirts, already got those. Spoiler. Whoa. Might have to get that spoiler. Yeah, I'll have to get that one. Let's make this thing low. Wheels? What kind of wheels can we get here? I like those wheels. Let's get those ones. Alright. Let's go to wheel color. Let's go get some dew yellow. Don't think they have dew yellow. Yellow bird's kind of the closest. Should we go lime green? Yeah, let's do it. Windows, pure black, of course. Gotta get those. Alright. I like my smart car now. It looks pretty fancy. Looks pretty snazzy. I like this car because it's got really good turning and it can fit through tiny spaces. I mean, it's just really nice car to have because it's got really good steering on it. Yeah, drifting doesn't work so well with it though. Oh my gosh. Alright, I think that'll be it for this episode. Subscribe and like this video if you want to see more of these customizing car type videos. Peace.